ne yade bia ye kan ho asem a baby a wote no se enka wa wo hye da nte ase ye age se wo mo a ensuo to a eyire fa wo mo niamba ekum nipa wo mo na wo ka flood ho asem a wo mo te ase o Facebook no so ene ye be ma videos upon videos ni ya bisa ya wo se nti baby a Ghana akwa bedru ne ya ensuo twa na ekranya yira fa so ensuo twa na nipa ewu ensuo keke etwa na nipa japade esei no ebesi ne etinye ntimi nya bibia amfa ho ensolve sa problem we even say yentimi solve a ye bete so kakra because I say adina kwakwa ya busum bi na si wa man no so eti afibia hia ni aboabo ya ho se flood besi eti ye se da twa sika de to ho se ensu tobre mu ensuo no fa nkrofo niamba ekum nkrofo a ye de sika sei ebekwa akoya flood ho adwuma ti ye se da ti sika a ye de beto no ma ye de bebo sa abra no ba ye se da ntu anabon se edie ni problem ni potia amada bia ensuo to a na agira fa nkran Debia ensuo to a na akum nipa debia ensuo to a na ase nipa japade yen se dan tina semfa sa adwen no da rejo weti me start ya roll videos no and me person krofo hu enkran yie and na one mo amoti south flood prone areas no amo pen obo betin komo na se make say ebia wo de oti east legon ebia make say wuti baby ti say obojo wuti baby ti say ashama inteshi areas bia wo ensuo to a emfaw. The most annoying part who ye eye Kwalebu Teaching Hospital. Ayare sabia kesia Ghana ha enipa yare a wode de ne kono. Ensuo timi ato ama hwa ye ma. It a wode sia da hodo mu a obekọ na ensuo de ne ekọ. Chasa yaboye homa this problem no yenya ho hwe to the extent they say even hospitals are getting flood. Yefri hen yedru ha June 10 adia esi ya no enya se da ebi si da o na ebi esi ba we na esi ya ne dia ejafa mu a ehye nipa kum nipa ka ho eno na ma ye hu ne se June 10 dia ne dia eye history bi ebi si da ebi esi pa ensuo to won kran amana fa nipa a ensuo to eye obi ntam kase wo kroma se okai ne nipa bia ensuo afa no dokuta ya ensuo fa no was etesio se he me ya sure se ensuo to bribia ne kunu eya ne ntam kase because obekai se ensuo ne to ya ne yire ekoto mu ema ne wuye enti ebia wo no ensuo fa woda enti nkomo na ye di no won hyeda ntiase papa Ghana mpanyufo ne yambeka se gaye tu bola egu gatasim. Yes, that is true. Because over the weekend, ensuo na toy no, dwamichi mame dia bola gum no. Mame dia bola aye mumma no, wo hye ensuo aye ma na bola edibo frusane. Ba ko bi se makola o se he, mame ni chesi empabwa o chesi empabwa kra man kan ensuo na fanako. Na wo hye bola pa egu nsuo no mu a etene kwa. Na wo bisa ho se enti ya free hina kakra afedia agi nsamui because we anshasia 1 day and anshasia 2 days eshasia che but en kakra sha en kana flood no national capital corona amapanyina na do danko akufo do ka kire yen say it will be the cleanest city in Africa. Sa kuro no ena me no mienu ya hye sisi ya wo Facebook live do so no shabola pa egunsiom bola no emfiri sunu na begu ho eye nipa. So when you tell me say nipa ya wo man mo yan fix yan attitude that me agree with you because system bay na wo honu ma check the policy obe fix ne ho because yeti wa yanim say obi to bola gu ba bia ni kwase wo to gu a se systems ye adwuma e was say the pan ye che no ni ya prosecute no ni ya punish no me say ya was systems ye adwuma Yachua bia wade bola akogu gatem. Ana wabia nsuo to a wade bola egu gatem no. Saa nipa no yechina. Ya wa system say ye adwuma. Saa nipa na wasi ya prosecute no. Na ya punish no. Eti wuntimi ka kira me say Ghana ni tini fie watam bola akwato gatem eno nti na ama gates no etwa kuma flood esie. Wona ye de wasi ho no. Abosome so ayetua wo kasa wadwuma ne say wo beba mra ana systems aye adwuma no edie na wo ye. So we are interested in creating unnecessary systems that are not working. Eti ya creating nyoma bebre e dia ma akrofo oye but wo mo sori o mo te office ena ekwadichi ebo wo mo o mo ntinsi abonten kobi sase e dia na ekoso wo abonten enti nsuo beto ebeyire fa nipa hye obi ka watimu no ensuo na yemu ma ama bucket kura wodi sise nsuo na hwiegu abonten kura no wa wutimi sa obere enya bibia o obi negligence obi adwuma wanya ne yie nti ena de yadu babia yadri. So honorable Asenso Buachi ka kire Ghana for say from 2017 basis abre Ghana yade 450 million Ghana cedis and akọ flooding eno no eyesika yade kwama ma ensu afa wo mo eyesika yade tete gatam eyesika yade ye dan ya dwen say ye solve problem no ana say ya say ya nsoso ho hwe Accra na ebufa so te sese bebraduasa epo aya biem na hwe bola enwura pa efrem bola do makacha say emfiri soro ena tugu famo eye nipa da sani ena aye bola no en watu agu ba bi basa ena mra bia nso nipa bia mu. So we are interested in say Ensio Tobia ni abaye news. He akamekwa ka stories ekra no we should stop doing it. Because the same story will continue saying it every day, every year. Aya ceremonial project be and afibia so ani ye. Dorothy, give me a someone, His Excellency the former President of the Republic, June 3rd, Eja eni nsuo edi afra ema Ghana for se ya Ghana for dodo no wu ye no amapanyi dada mahama se wo ne facial expression di be gina ho a wutimu se asam no na ya ne ya pa se Ghana for awuo na ya ne ya pa se nsuo keke ato ama gya fam ahyenipa ama binum adidam enti wo gina ne namu promise ya say Sadia way on my being CBM. I'm a best of any me and I'm a cashier, His Excellency John Dramani Mahamado. On one the kind of numasem, eti me bomb what ye, see a summer John Mahama Kaye. Ye ria, much shower as someone. His Excellency Danado Danko Kufado and so a kaye. Nama biso my penyo Kufado say, not someone or kaye no, on woman and a more no too far who say, Obama sa some na ye juma. It's on Facebook no so watch His Excellency the former president. We read the name crowd with me say yes, now they raho. But I deny a ceremonial. And your people budget I did who some a afibia shia and subato kumnipa and subato now for the pedia padia. No, they are gene say. I'm a president Mahama no say.
This exercise would affect other towns that would find themselves in other situations in other parts of the country. Our current priority now is to save lives, 95.1 of our people. But beyond that, we'll take the tough measures that are necessary to prevent such disasters from occurring in the future. The National Disaster Management Organization, the Hydrology Department of the Ministry of Water Resources, Works and Housing, and the city authorities will also work to coordinate the clearing and expansion of our waterways and the desilting of our drains. Drastic steps are necessary here if we are to permanently address this perennial problem. We'll intensify our efforts to expand and modernize our drainage system. In this endeavor, I request your understanding and the cooperation of Ghanaians to set right what has been wrong with our country for far too long. We cannot continue to allow a situation where the convenience of a few undermines the safety of many. Search and rescue operations will continue till the weekend, Sunday. On Monday, we will observe 3 days of national mourning for the victims of the fire disaster and the flooding.
Wei His Excellency, the former president, John Dramani Mahama. One anima, no ade kasano. Chese utimu se ofili sorry. Eyeni yama Ghana for se ensuato na ensuo na fa Ghana ni. Ensuato na Ghana ni na wuo. Enti wote ne brofo no kan or say. Omutimi ntira se enkofokuo ketuwa bi. Se womo benya womo ho nti no. Adisha bebre no mo ya Ghana for ho be kire wo mo eti wo a wo dan ese nsuo kwa mu no se sefata se ye bubu gu a ye be bubu agu ese fata se wo dan no ba biesie no ye dwiri gu a ye be dwiri agu na wono ebebo modern se works and housing ministry no eni nadbo ebe ka bom aye se adwuma ne se be ya ensuo twa emfa Ghana ni biem. Wei enyame ya titi ana me kaye wei the words of His Excellency the former president John Dramani Mahama. So you see ye wa empanyimfu a omoyam ho kura da do camouflage asem sia wo manim ne se de omayom ho dia be kire ye no asobo doyanya. But at the end of the day, no, obi shadi obenya afrim. Me wajidie say, sa project ya kanema panyi Mahama se omunye yi. Si yi sikasi yamfa nkwaya. Obi edibi. Ebi afa baby. Accountability any kroimu. Ya tamo aman sikasi ya kwaya project bi. Na ukasa wo kwa bisa eho kuntabua na ya manson. Yes ye. Asama na ukwa bisa yi. Ena mumu adia ena na kwala maba mumu hwe na munam krom simply because panyi bia kwakodi wo man sika nka enu kwanse wadie wadi sika na kwaye die enu kwanse wadi ye the moment a wo bebisa pe enisa wo bisa because wo ya akwada me ya akwada ba madwuma me ya no wo je ho tax obra me bra ni anadwoa na mu ametu anyina wo je ho tax eti ensem fata se bebisa wo dia would tax na ye sika no mapanyina da Mahama ka say yamfa nkoso bo flood no sika no ewo he na dia nti na project na aba so me kai say that was the time oko vanda for yes ono na no ye meyo e man cry almost starting so mo ye demolition ewi a kire ono akasa di party for NDC e be ka che ne say ade a wo ye belusu vote enti jai. So you see, they don't care about you. They are so heartless and wicked to the extent they say, what will safety here? Now listen to His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Nanado ebuafu se Ghana forces a baller. No me akwa kogu gatem. Enu ti na ma na enso to a na yira fa nkran. Na yira fa nipa na nipa ewuo. Ti o ma panyi.
We're talking about these infrastructural matters. We must also talk about our own habits. That's right. We have to talk about our attitudes. We have a situation in our country, time and again, Ghanaians, we want this, we want that. But the attitudinal change that would enable us to be able to to bring value to these demands, that is always left out. Up till today, whilst as the John River is being dredged, there are still people at home who, when the rains come, think that the easiest way to deal with dirt in their houses is to throw it out into the gutter center. Those things have to come to a stop. We all have to speak to each other in Ghana to bring those things to a stop. Because if we don't, no matter the investment that we make, at the end of the day, we'll be back to square one. And I'm not prepared to spend your money in that way again.
Anyway, His Excellency Nana Danko Ekufuado. Now you see where my question starts from. Eti eya wanya said yes say. Obone woman says systems should work. That is my problem. Because you cannot just come and tell me, say, ye two bala egu gatem, eti nama na esyo tana yida fan cry, eya wanya juma. Works and Housing Ministry, amate waya day. As I so much is telling me, say, $450 million, we use it to say they could flood. It is the kind of yada ma wamo is your formal. Yada ma wamo day, yada demolition, yada titi drainage. What did we use the money for? That's the question I'm just asking. Simple question. Because day in, day out, I had to say, Afibia ceremony. It's your time, but the real problem and the solution is there. We are not tackling it. We see the person, no prosecution, no punishment. And you tell me, say, me attitude. If the systems are working, now obia to ball a good guy, ya chino, ya prosecuting, ya punishing the pana obekobiem. But Ghana ya to the stand say obia ya drope. Ghana is gradually becoming a lawless country. And yet him obia ya drope because systems now what's the year Juma Emma your prosecuting crop for a punish woman. Those systems are not working again. And yet so when shakwalebu see for yourself, you're kwalebu. Obibi pio say, why you call the surgery? Abano here, baby, panida, kwalebu. Can we continue like this as a country? No. And you don't be personal, sorry, I know why you keke. But gradually, baby, your mind, we need to take a second look at it. 02082272270. 0550582982 0550582982 wey aya cabinet me funny pa 5 na makwa kwasha me nkomo no ase. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. There be up me pa premium check phone lines and mama we chire ho why I beg you Mr. Wa. Hello, good evening. Hello. No. Hello. No. 02082272270 0550582982. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What's the make up with dinner? Come me uncle.
The family na the Kasafi Tema.
Kabi, me uncle.
Ghana for your bro, Madam your the Montini kind and one is Subanka. When you say,